Hey everyone, I wanted to get on and give you all an update about saving Diablo Canyon, which is California's last nuclear plant. Just this last Friday, there was a high-level workshop that was held on Zoom between Governor Newsom's office, the Energy Commission, as well as the grid operator. This workshop was in regards to new legislation that is critical to saving the Diablo Canyon nuclear plant. This whole call ended up being over 5.5 hours long, with the majority of it being for public comment. One of those comments ended up being from me.
I know that there's been a lot of questions about nuclear safety tonight and a lot of claims being thrown out there. I myself am a nuclear safety specialist, and I focus in radiological emergency preparedness. I get to study radiological incidents, including nuclear incidents, throughout history and around the world. I get to see the worst that things can get, and I understand the worst that things can get. But I also understand the worst that other energy sources can get, and I understand the risks behind other sources of energy, including no energy at all and blackouts. In understanding all of this, I know that nuclear power is by far, even on its worst, extremely rare day, it is the safest source of energy known to mankind.
Thanks to the grassroots efforts of just a handful of people, hundreds of people were able to be called to action to get on this call so they could put in 2 minutes of word in favor of keeping the Diablo Canyon nuclear plant open. Now, I can't report out yet what the result was of this workshop, but there was almost a 2-to-1 in favor of keeping the Diablo Canyon nuclear plant open. I cannot believe some of the crazy stuff that I was hearing from the anti-nuclear group, but the people from the pro-nuclear group were just spot on. Now, if you want to keep up on what's going on with Diablo Canyon and what the status is of that legislation, I'll make sure to report it out here, so go ahead and give me a like and follow.